get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking bitches. I pull her with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get a city. This ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you renting. Wait the low to the top. Nigga, the bay wrong guy. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right.
Hey there you guys, today's wig is brought to you by alistlacehair.com. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. A-List Lace Hair was kind enough to send me the Pauline Glueless full lace wig like Yaki. The length that I have is 24 inches, the lace color is medium brown, and the size of this wig is medium. So you get lace all around. When you receive the wig, it comes with a elastic band already attached to it, and this elastic band is very tightly secure. One great thing about this wig is the hairline already comes pre-plucked. It doesn't come too pre-plucked, but I love when it comes like this, so I could go in and pluck it a little more and it's less work for me. So like I said before, this wig is 24 inches. This is the length of the wig on me and my height is 5'6". Instead of keeping the wig style straight, I wanted to go in and add some beautiful layers and some pin curls. So I went ahead and the day before this review and did the pin curls in the nighttime, and now I'm just going to put this wig on. Oh yeah, before I do cut the lace, I'm just going to cut the lace by the ear tabs and just cut the back lace off, but leave the front lace on. You'll see why. So I did go in and pluck the hairline just a tiny bit more. A-List Lace Hair is very known for their hairlines on their lace wigs. Like, they definitely know how to finesse a hairline, especially in their salon. They have a salon, I think it's in the UK, and they just they do a great job, you guys. I'll be sure to leave their Instagram link below. So I want to take these scissors. I'll be sure to leave the link below to these scissors. I got them from Amazon. So I'm going to try my best not to cut the hair on the hairline. I'm just trying to cut along the lace and also follow my hairline. Even though I only cut the lace a little bit, look how natural that looks, you guys. Wow. Let me not forget to mention the hairline, it comes bleached, so you do not have to bleach the knots, but you only get about 1 inch of bleaching along the hairline. After that, the knots are not bleached, but I'm totally fine with that. If anything, it actually is a great idea, and I might just start doing that because it actually helps protect the hair from shedding. Usually when you bleach all the knots, that could cause shedding. But the fact that they just bleached the hairline, which is like the main attraction with this wig. Also the hair is the main attraction. But you know, you also want a popping hairline that blends in with your skin. That's really smart. Really, really smart. Now it's time for the takedown. I'm just gonna take out the clips now. If you would like a detailed tutorial on how I layer my hair and also do my pin curls, let me know and I'll do it. So now it's time for me to do my baby hairs. When doing my baby hairs, I just take my time and play with it. I don't really have baby hairs of my own, so it's kind of hard doing baby hairs in my opinion for me. But I just play with it, and whatever I like, I just go with the flow. So I'm just taking this little edge tamer brush, and it's nothing on the brush. I just like to brush it to see if that's how I would like it before I put the Got To Be glue gel on it. Hold that side tab down by the ear. I'm just gonna go in my Got To Be glue free spray and just spray a little bit right there by my hairline, just a little bit. After that, I'm just gonna hold it down, but right there is a little bit longer than my ear, so I'm just gonna kind of split it so it can lay flatter like that. See, I didn't cut too much, I just cut the lace, and now it's just laying more flatter. I'm just going to use that thing to hold it down for at least 1 minute. And then boom, there it is, laying down all flat. So now I'm going to go in again with my, what kind of brush is this? I'm having a brain fart. Edge styling brush, baby hair styling brush, whatever. And just style my baby hair some more. Yes, this is pretty much my end results, and I am in love. Come on, look at this wig. This wig is so gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, it is on the pricey side, especially the longer the length, the more it will cost. But this wig is like gorgeous, and the fact that I even have to do much work to it. The hairline came pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more to my liking, but hey, I had to customize it a bit. You could leave it how it comes, but I didn't want to. So the texture is really soft. As for the length, like I said, it comes in 24 inches, but I did go in and trim some of it off because it was just too long for the style that I was going for. So I kind of have like 22 inches now. As for tangling, I got 0 tangling. As for shedding was very minimum, nothing too harsh. The size on this wig is a really good fit. I do have extra room. As for the elastic band is very snug, but it's not too tight where it's giving me a headache. I love it. But the way they have the elastic band, I can't really go in and like fix the other side because my head is just a little bit small. So if the elastic band was just over a little bit more, I would be able to get the other side of the hair tab down, but I cannot. But I like the way they stitched it, so you know, I feel special. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. As for the quality, the way it feels like great quality, like you would get your money's worth, but we will have to see later on. I'll see you guys on next video. Later, you guys.